Maryam Masud Special Booklet. This booklet has been specially written for MySalahMat by Maryam Masud. Maryam Masud is from the United States. She hosts the children's TV program Quran with Maryam on Guidance TV and ITV USA. Maryam became a Hafidha of the Quran at the young age of 9, and she has participated in many national and international Quran competitions. There are some great tips for memorizing the Quran, starting with purifying your intention. Finding a reciter you love and using the same mushaf are just two of the tips here. Inspiring kids to pray so that they want to do it is essential. Here, Maryam provides some practical advice on how to go about it. Finally, Maryam explains the ways to introduce Islam to kids, including the importance of good friends and good character. It's a really useful booklet with clear guidelines for parents and guardians presented in a well-ordered and easy-to-follow format, an effective and essential read.